my final piece, as you saw in the thumbnail, the cute little signature denim mini Rowan bag charm. And let's play around with it, see how we can transform it into a bag, try straps, accessories. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Hello, my name is Andrea. Welcome back, and thank you for joining me in the babe cave at the table. And like I said, we're going to play around with this final piece of denim. I know some of you are sick of it, but let's play with this and see what fits, what we can do to make it into a bag. We'll just play around with this little bag charm, so let's get it open. I, of course, peeked because I could not wait to see what this looked like. It still comes with the same Coach tags about the signature jacquard. Okay, let's open it. It's just adorable, as I thought it would be. Packaged. They did have this little charm also in a wrapping, and even the tiniest little Coach hang tag. Like, they are the best at packaging. Would you agree? I mean, this looks just like the large Rowan, how it was packed. Adorable. A lot less stuffing than the large Rowan, that's for sure. Even the zipper pull is covered. Oh my gosh, it's adorable. Did you all get this little bag charm? Let me know down below. I couldn't resist it. I talked about it in a previous video, and I thought it was the cutest thing ever. I know it's a little spendy for a bag charm, but I couldn't help it. I had to do it. I think it was, what, $69? Okay, so this charm is not removable. And I don't know if anyone has already mentioned that, but I don't believe you can remove those cherries. So those cherries are gonna stay. Let's unwrap the cute little treated vachetta leather straps. How do you guys like the treated vachetta? Do you like it better than plain old pale vachetta that you could damage a little bit easier? I think I like the idea of the treated vachetta. Makes it more weather friendly, durable. It's not gonna get water spots. At least I don't believe this is gonna get water spots. Oh my gosh, so cute. Look at the glazing on there. I mean, here's my hand and here's this bag. It is a small one. It's just the cutest thing. Tiniest little Coach gold hardware. Oh, I love it. They have Coach on that part. Here's the bottom of it. They knocked it out of the park with this denim collection. I fell hook, line, and sinker for it, as you can tell. It was made for me to buy. I just know it. And a lot of others loved it just as much as I did. Oh, it's so cute. Look at this little bag charm. So cute. Cute, cute. I couldn't help it. They flop over to the side. Oh. Now let's open this up, and I'm sure it's super stuffed. Oh, it's already opened. And it is super stuffed. Here's the inside blue material, same material as the other denim pieces. Super cute. Can't get over this denim, how they did this. The glazing's on the inside of here with that red maroon color. Oh, it's so adorable. Okay, let's see how many cards and accessories we can put inside this. I forgot to mention the zipper is pretty smooth for a little tiny zipper opening. And let's see what we can put in here. First off, let's just put the keys in here. I don't ever have to get my keys out, so let's just see what that does. How much room that takes. Okay, so there's my keys. How about a candy cane chapstick? Favorite for this time of year. I have my vapor inhaler. What about my little duck from Suz? What about my favorite lipstick from Wet n Wild? My cute little Miss Dior perfume bottle. Let's see if that fits. I think that's all I can put in here. Let's see if that zips up. Okay, that all fit in there, but it's a weighty little bag charm now. But I did get it to zip, but there is a lot of little things in here. For the price, really is really not that bad. If you look at the details that are actually on this bag with all the stitching, these handles, the zipper tape, like it's all so tiny. That's why sometimes these smaller goods always cost a little more, because these are very well made little bag charms. At least from Coach, I know that they do. So that all fit in there. Let's take it out and try something else. So I'll show you what I put in there out here. You wouldn't want to put your keys in if you gotta take those out all the time. That would not work. But this fit in this tiny little bag charm quite a bit, I think. Now, does a pack of gum fit in there? Just to see for you all and me if you can fit a, yeah, it does fit in there. The gum does fit in the bag. And you could throw in, if you wear contacts, you could throw it in here. Throw in my chapstick, could throw that in there again. My lipstick, and yeah. Oh, wow. Yep, so that all fit in there. Such a handy little piece. So what I intend on using this for is what I'm about to show you. For me, I was thinking, okay, I spent the money on this cute bag charm and I want to actually use it. So why not make this my wallet inside my Laurel shoulder bag in denim? So let's just see how many cards and stuff can fit in here. I wanted to show you a comparison of a card holder from Coach compared to the little bag charm. And I wanted to see if it would fit. And the answer is no. You cannot fit a card holder in your little bag charm, which I kind of figured anyway. Just wanted to see if it would. I was also thinking about adding my red poofy ball to possibly the tiny zipper pull. Oh, I could. I could add my little red poof ball as my zipper pull if I wanted to. Or I could use my little idea that I showed you with my other cherries. I could make it into another cherry zipper pull, but this is cute. I like it. Let's see what we can fill this up with. So I've got 10 cards and business cards that I use on a regular basis. And I would probably put the most use on this side just so I could get in and out easy. Again, I'm just playing around. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this as a wallet. It was just kind of a thought I had to use this a different way. But the air tag, I wanted to see if that could go in there as well. And it does. So you could put your change or your Aldi quarter in there. You could put bills in there, credit cards. It has a lot of room. And if you wanted to just bring this out into the grocery store and say you just needed your chapstick and your keys, I wonder if My keys are not going to go in with all of this. I don't think that... Oh. This to me is too much trouble to get to a wallet, to get to a card, so that would be a no. I haven't decided whether I'm going to use this as a wallet, but I thought that was a good idea. Now I'm not so sure. I may just hang it on my Laurel bag, and I wouldn't hang it on the outside. If I was carrying this as a wallet, I wouldn't carry it on my bag. Let me show you that. But look how, that's how it looks when it's hanging on your bag. It's to the side. Not everybody loves that look. What if you were to, let me close this, add your awesome leather coach strap? How would I get this to work? I've come into a problem. Where would I put this? That is going to be too big there. Okay. Nope. The only strap that you can put on this little tiny bag charm is this, a wristlet. If you've got a detachable wristlet, like this one I got from Next Fashion, it has a tiny little clip. Let's see if that'll work. It should. So if you have a gold or this color wristlet, where you could just take this into the market or wherever you're going with you. So you can make it into a wristlet. So there is other options. So I wanted to throw this in. Look how pretty this chain is, and I've never used it. So I may use it for this bag. I may use it as a wallet. I don't know. I haven't decided. What do you guys think of this cuteness? I couldn't help it. I probably will use it as its intended purpose as a bag charm, but I definitely wouldn't use it with my cards being on the outside of my purse. No way. So I'd probably put some chapstick. You could put your iPod, like the normal stuff that maybe your Vicks Vapor or some hand sanitizer this size. I mean, there's many things that can go in this charm on the outside of the bag, but my debit card and credit cards are not one of them. So, yeah. What do you guys think? I was hoping to make it into a bag for you, but there's just no way. What are you guys going to use your bag charm for? Are you just going to leave it empty? You going to put some stuff in it? Tell me some ideas that you have of this cutie little bag charm down below. And I hope you enjoyed another part 3 and final unboxing, unbagging, whatever, of my cutest little bag charm. I think this is the cutest one I have. I'm just going to be honest. I think this is so cute. So anyway, I appreciate all of you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. It's free. And don't forget to hit the bell so you won't miss my future videos. But until next video, I will talk to you soon. Bye.